How to create ebook in Gamma app. So first of all, go ahead to Gamma and make sure you're signed in. And then from there, what you'll have to do is go to this create new AI section of this Gamma. So once you're there, here you can simply go to this generate section. So if you're not sure, so start here. So simply go there and we just want to create a document. So describe what you like to make. So basically you'll have to provide a prompt that could be up to 10 cards. You can select up to the cards, the limit you want, and you will have to require plus feature or pro feature or ultra feature according to your needs. So you can simply write an e-book about cars, so or different things according to your wish. So it would be the language. So here let's generate outline. So it will simply generate. So if you provide a longer prompt, it will take you longer time. So here it has provided you an ebook, the golden A's and different other things. So here you can see different of the ebooks. So here you can see the too many cards. Your cards is then so simply go ahead, get rid of anyone. Mm, so here we have deleted. So here you can see customize your gamma. So from here, what you can do is you can select the amount of text per card. So it could be minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive. So also you can select the title or the font or the type or the background you want. So the spectrum looks good according to me. So you can also embed the images by selecting the wave image, stock photos, AI images, and different things. Also, image model could be auto selected by them. So, image art style could be anything according to your wish. So, after you do that, you can add reference if you have got a pro as well. So, you can add extra keywords according to your wish, and also you can add different line works, flat color, minimalist, and mid-century. And after you do that, simply press on generate, and it will generate an ebook for you. So hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you. So after you generate the ebook, it will look somewhat like this. So you can simply say it. Thank you.